In front of me is Realme C51, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices Settings right away. In them, select Apps section, scroll down just a bit, tap on Default Apps, and select one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now just click on your new downloaded one that you wish to apply. When you're ready, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!